Okay, I'm back doing some more equation writing for this time perpendicular lines. So if you have watched any of the videos in the parallel and perpendicular playlist, then you should have an idea about perpendicular lines and what happens with their slopes. So I'm going to start off with writing the beginning of the equation, and then we have to still figure out a new b or a new y-intercept in order to write the new equation. Now we're asked to write it so that it passes through 6, 5. So starting off with this, we are going to write y equals, this is going to be the new equation for the perpendicular. So perpendicular lines, with the slope, which in this case is -1/2 for this line, it has to be the opposite. So instead of it being negative, my new line is going to be positive. So we'll start there, and then it also has to be reciprocal. So instead of 1/2, it's going to be 2/1. Which is also the same thing as just saying 2x. So we're going to start off, that's the beginning of my equation. And now we have to figure out the plus or minus b, whatever it may be, using these 2 points, 6 and 5. So what I am going to do is rewrite this equation, y equals mx plus b. So I'm going to replace that slope with the 2, because that's what it is. It's 2 for this perpendicular line, and then x plus b. So we want to replace the 6 where x is. So we have 2 times 6. It's going to be plus b. And then we're going to replace that y with the y value, which is 5. And that is going to help me to be able to figure out what the b value is in my new equation. 6 times 2 is 12. 12 plus b is equal to 5. Subtract 12 on both sides, and you'll end up with a -7 for your b. So my equation would be y equals 2x, or 2/1x, and then we have that -7 for the equation. If you'd like more questions on perpendicular lines or parallel lines, you can find them on my YouTube channel, UN Algebra. Check them out under the parallel and perpendicular lines section.